As you see, the on idling, very rough idling. So we try to figure out what's caused this, diagnose this, try to fix this issue. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So 2002 Honda CR-V has a very rough idling and the engine stalling, and also it's got like up and down, and it's like sounds really terrible, as you see in the beginning of the video. So we try to replace this, nothing wrong. This one, it seems just temperature, but now we're just gonna replace the idle control valve beneath this here, underneath, and so we have to remove this completely, and hopefully that will solve the problem. And first we need to remove this one. Disconnect this, remove this one beneath there, and we need to remove this. That's the one. It was broken here, I fixed, and it's still good. And you can see this is what we're gonna close. Okay, now you can hear the sound, you can hear the engine very bad. Now I'm just gonna close this hole, you see, this one here. Let's close this hole again. So I think it's running fine. It's not like the engine is running smooth, but it's very in low RPM. See, but it's stable. Once I remove this, So I'm gonna have to replace this the idle control valve. Yeah, this idle control air, this one. And but I'm gonna have to order one from AliExpress again. We found one for about $33, which is almost half price of from Rock Auto. They have it for about 70. This one is 30, not even less than half price, so it is good. Once I get that one, I will remove that and put a new one in and see if that can solve the problem. So I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned for more details. This one. Oh, still leaking. Yeah. Okay, that's one. I need another one to block the other one here. Yeah. Okay, good. It's 11. It's 12, yeah. One, two, three, four. This one. Two. Three. And this one. Okay. We have to disconnect this. Pull this one. And we need to disconnect this one too here. Okay. One more. Okay. One, two, three, four. Serious problem. Now we need to open this. Okay. Wow. What a crazy. Okay, good. Good. Uh-oh. انفتح الحمد لله. سلام عليكم. قطعنا ما ثاني. حطينا صندوق الشناية. هنا Okay, now I need to open this one. Okay, hold the phone. There's no button. No, no, no. Which one of those? Maybe this one. Oh, في تعال.
الحمد لله.
Okay.
Finally.
Wonderful. Flat. Ready? Wonderful. Stuck. Oh, finally I know what's wrong. Okay. DW40. شغل فلاش.
هذه جاي تحكي علي ليه؟ It enters really fast, huh?
Yeah.
It enters there really fast.
Look how easy it is now.
It's smooth هسه.
There's a washer here. See this washer? It's too big. This is problem here. Uh-oh. This washer is too big. We need a washer now. Big. How come this is too big? Oh, here we go. That's better. Oh, fits nice and easy. Oh, it's too big. Let's get something small like this. This is one. Oh. Let's try this again. Okay, we're fine. Oh, it's not gonna fit. Here we go. It's okay. I can make it fit. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, this one should fit. It's not closing. I can't believe it. So what's happening? That's the same one.
ايه. وبرد.
Okay. Okay, now it fits good. Yep, that's it.
Yeah, I see it. I thought you were talking about the multimeter.
Okay, good. The yellow and gray, 12 volt. So the yellow is negative. Okay. Spinning. It's not spinning. This is 2002 Honda CRV air control valve. To test this one, this is the motor. It works by magnetic motor, DC. This one is 12 volt DC. There has a 3 connection. The center is always positive, 12 volt, low and high. So this is positive, 12 volt high and low voltage here. So we're gonna test if it's gonna spin or not. This must be spinning when I connect positive on center and negative in above. So right now it's making noise, but it's not spinning. As you see here, come close so you can see. See? Here's the 2 screws to disconnect the motor from the air control valve. And I don't have the right, but you can, I use a lock pliers to open those. Then I can, now it's laid loose a little bit, so I can use a flat screwdriver like this one to open. This thing has a very powerful magnetic here. When you put it back, this one must be up like that, and then you connect it. Then once it's connected, there's also a sealer ring, a gasket inside here. Okay, and lift it up like that. Only one way. You cannot go like that. It must be like that. See? And connect it. Then I made a mark here. You can see small, tiny marks. You need to put it just the way it's supposed to be. just right mark here. 1, 2. Okay, go by C. Good. Oh my god, it's gonna leak if I don't put it right away. يلا. Okay, جاهز؟
It's a tight space.
Yeah, okay. This one, ثانية. Good. Two. Third. 3. 4. Oh, هذا for that. Okay, no. بعد
That one.
yeah, there's one more فيشة. هذا. شو راح نحط؟ What is it?
Right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Good. Good. Now, all this coming back. This way, water?
No.
بعد واحد هناك. Okay, set the buff. ما ادري هذا قوي ولا حيل.
ما ادري وين هذا. I think it's good.
Yeah. What else we need to it? The smoke is normal, so a lot of smoke, it should be fine. This smoke will go away. Now we need to put this sensor. هذا الجو الصندة هاي. Yeah. هذا السنسور. Now we need to put this thing back. This one. الفلتر تمام؟ الفلتر ما شفناه. لحظة. All good. See, I cleaned the air control valve beneath there, located beneath the throttle body, but did not solve the problem. Maybe the throttle body is bad, or maybe the air control valve is bad. So, as you see, still the same thing. I'm just gonna have to wait until I get the air control valve back. As soon as I get it, I'll replace it. We'll do another video and see if that's gonna solve the problem. The RPM is not showing like up and down. As you see, the RPM just a little bit. Okay, see that? So some gas. See, even when I press the gas at 3000 RPM, the engine is not accelerating well. The engine is up and down, up and down. See that? Yeah, I don't know. By the way, that check engine light when we disconnected the sensor, the temperature sensor, that's why.